Welcome to Thai Bomb Table, where every dish tells a story. Today we are preparing a simple garden salad. Begin by washing your ingredients gently. Then chop the parsley, raw, fragrant, and bold. Radishes come next. Their peppery bites and ruby edges bring brightness to the bowl. Now the romaine, crisp and fresh. It is a canvas of everything to come. Cut it into generous rustic pieces. No need for perfection here. Okay, and in a bowl, combine the romaine, radishes, green onions, and parsley. Drizzle with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and pinch of salt. Toast gently, just enough to mingle the flavors without brushing the leaves. Finish with slice of hard-boiled egg. Nestle gently on top. From my table to yours. Thank you for sharing this moment.